Hey, welcome back everybody. This is the second part of a video that we did the other day. We were setting up 1 and 2 lights. Today we're going to show you how to add the third light in. Our main light right here is the Godox MS300. It's set at 1/16 power. Our fill light over here is also a Godox MS300 set on 1/32 power. And behind her for our third light that's new today is the Godox AD200 and it's set to 1/8 of a power. So if you missed the first video, I'll put a link to it at the end of this video so you can go back and watch the first one. So we only did the 1 and 2 lights. Today we're going to add the third one because I was talking about she has dark hair and we were on a dark background. So we're going to give the hair, we're going to give her hair some separation today. So let's get started. All right, so I'm shooting this at ISO 200, f4.5, and 1/200th of a second with the Canon R6. So here we go. Notice the backlight, how it separates her hair. Here we go, good smile. That looks really good. Good. We're getting up 1 feet this way. And you want to make sure that your backlight is strong enough so that you can see it. Turn your chin this way. Good smile. Okay, so what I did there is I was pointing the backlight at the background. Now I'm going to turn it around and point it at her hair so we'll get a halo effect around her hair. Might be too much, but we'll see how that works. All right, so the backlight is now pointing right at her hair. Good smile. And that looks really good. You can see how it really is almost like sunlight coming through her hair. Keep that smile. Good. And for one more, let's turn back this way. Very good. Good smile. Chin up just a tad. All right, so there you go. The first video showed the 1 and 2 lights. This one showed 3 lights, so you can either point the light, here it is, so you can see it. You can either point it toward the background. You can put gels over them if you want. If you got a black background, you can put a red gel over it and turn your background red. I just did white. And then you can turn around and point it toward her hair. So make sure it's not too strong and you'll be good to go. All right, so that's how to add your third light into a 2 light setup to make a 3 light setup. If you guys have any questions, just shoot me an email below and I'll be glad to help you out. So that was a very quick run through on how to do the first video was 1 and 2 lights, and today's video was adding the third light. Now, if you guys want a more in-depth of how we set light, take light 1, adjust its power and figure out the f-stop. Same thing with the fill light and the same thing with the backlight. I can make one of those videos if you guys are interested, so just drop me a note at the bottom and let me know if you're interested in that and I can go into more details on that. So, but I think the light on that, like I was mentioning, if you have a blue gel or red gel and you're shooting on a black background, you can put that gel over that backlight and turn the background that color as long as it's black and it looks really cool. I just used white because I just want to separate her hair. And then when we turned it around to light up her hair, you can move the light up and down and then you can work like around the shadow. You can get shadows around the shoulders and everything too. So anyway, I hope that helped you guys out. And like I said, if y'all want more detailed, in-depth information, just let me down below and I'll make a video like that. Anyway, you guys have a good day. Thanks. Hey guys, I just want to take this second of your time. If you guys would please hit like and subscribe, it would go a long ways toward helping our channel and help us keep making these videos. Thank you.